Luke, what are you doing?
I'm making coffee. I stir leaves.
You're stirring the leaves.
My phone. I'm stirring leaves.
Oh. Oh, there. You really put leaves in my coffee pot. I see.
Coffee pot. Right here is my coffee pink. No buttons. No push buttons. No push buttons.
Luke, can you fill up the coffee pot with water?
Yeah.
Can you take out the coffee pot and
Yeah.
fill it up with water?
Yeah. Water. I need the water. I open. Now open. Stay closed. I need the water. Okay. I put it. Water.
Good job.
I put
I have never ever shown him how to do this.
shirt. No shirt. Stay close. No, stay close. Halo. Willie, Halo. Halo. Willie, Halo. Halo. Come here. It's a razor. What's that? What's that?
Balloon.
Happy birthday, Halo. Get it? Microwave. No pee-pee. Microwave. Right? Don't pee-pee microwave.
That's right.
Hey, the razor! I have a turn. I have a turn.
How do you ask?